You guys have no idea how good it feels to be able to do this again. What's going on, guys? It's Matt, finally back with another video, and look what I got back. Look what I got back. You like my Civic, bro?
I do.
So I finally got my Mustang back, and let me just say it feels so great to have some power back underneath my right foot because, bro, what was I driving during this like past few months?
We're driving multiple
Civics, Avengers, four-door sedans. I was just a little civilian driving around in these streets, man. And look at brand new parts, fresh paint. We are back in business, boys. There's only one thing left to do. Since the airbag deployed, we got a new front steering wheel, but there's only one thing left to do. Yes, sir. We are back in business, boys. We are back in business. So I know a lot of you are actually wondering what happened. How did the accident happen? So long story short, I was coming home from work one night and the construction workers didn't have like this pile of asphalt blocked off right, and I ended up going over it because I did not see it, and it just messed up my whole front end, and it was the worst day of my entire life. But like I said, my whole front end just got pretty much destroyed. I ended up breaking a motor mount. I needed suspension work. I needed a new wheel. This is a brand new Mickey Thompson tire. Got a whole new front bumper. It needed some hood work. Like, I'm telling you, this car was almost totaled. It needed a new engine cradle. Dang, man, this car needed so much work, and I'm so glad to have it back right now. Like, coming back here just makes me want to do something like... So like I was saying, this thing did need a lot of work, and I know what a lot of you guys are going to be saying. Matt, why didn't you just get a 5.0? Why didn't you just get a new car? Why didn't you just like upgrade? And the main reason is because this car just has a lot of sentimental value to me, guys. I've had it around for so long, and I mean, I put so much hard work and time and effort into this car. I just could not get rid of it. And the only thing it's missing now that it did have before the accident was the front splitter, which is coming. We're gonna touch up the front end, touch up our little things again, get back into modifying the car, and yeah, stick around and see what's up, guys. And since we just hit 8,000 subscribers, I know there's a lot of you that are new, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick little rundown on what's done to the car. This is a full bolt-on 2014 3.7 liter Mustang. It has a ported intake manifold, a 373 rear end, a whole wheel and tire setup, some nice little exterior mods here and there, and it's tuned by MPT, so I'm pretty sure you guys can see now why I didn't want to get rid of it. This is such a fun little car to have around. So yeah, guys, this thing's back. I'm excited, you're excited, we're all excited, and let's just get back into what we do.
Hello YouTube, how are you doing?
Always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gon' forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together. I'm never gon' turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open or closed. Everything I wanted, I got.